me to eat cake. How can I be in a bad mood?
This is not gonna end well.
I feel like this one's gonna be lighter and this one's gonna be more moist. Can I say the word moist on camera?
Oh yes.
Moist cake.
Just even stabbing through like the icing, it like has like that fudge kind of like feel to it. I can't explain it.
From a quick look, cake number 1 looks a little more dense. The icing's a little bit darker. It looks creamier and more moist, so I'm really, really excited about that. And it's also slightly taller, so it's a bigger cake. I'm all for big cakes. I love chocolate cake. This is so good.
This one got like almost like a little bit of a, almost like fruity, in a weird way.
What?
Not like fruity, but like floral.
You can see that when I tried to take the first bite, it sort of just broke apart, and I'm not really thrilled with that.
This is a moist cake. It's so soft. Let me just eat this.
Icing kind of tastes a little bit like it came from a box. It could be a good thing, could be a bad thing.
The icing on this one is better than the cake. Like, you're not just gonna eat cake without icing.
I would.
It's because you're a heathen.
Sprinkle time.
I'm gonna guess that there's a buttercream icing on this one just by the look of it. It looks really creamy.
I'm surprised that both the cake and the icing is lighter in color. I thought this would be more milky, more of a milk chocolate flavor, but this one has a heavier flavor actually. There's almost like a tiny hint of coffee or something in it, just like a little bit more bitter, a little bit darker of a cocoa.
I think that the flavors in this second cake is better. It feels really light, chocolatey, like that classic chocolate that you would imagine like almost like a Matilda cake to look or taste like.
There's a little bit of a, I want to say coffee?
I taste coffee in this. I feel like I'm just making it up all the time. My choice is number 1.
If I was going to choose between these two, I would still choose this one because, I don't know, it feels like comfortable.
Not necessarily by far, but this one's definitely, I think my favorite.